Tension type headache is most common type of primary headache. It affects female more than male. 1/3 of cases are associated with depression. It is perceived as fullness or tightness or pressure band. It doesn't affect activities of daily living. It is not associated with vomiting, photophobia, phonophobia. यार आज लंच में क्या ऑर्डर करूं? कल कढ़ाई चिकन ऑर्डर किया था, बेकार सी थी. आज सोचता हूँ कुछ कबाब ऑर्डर करता हूँ. कहाँ से ऑर्डर करूं? इस रेस्टोरेंट का ट्राई करते हैं. ये ऑर्डर डन. कोशिश में क्या पढ़ रहा था? हाँ, ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ टेंशन टाइप ऑफ हेडेक इज NSAIDs with amitriptyline. Next topic is migraine. Migraine is type of episodic headache. It is started during school days. Attacks increase in frequency and severity over time. Properties are zigzag lines, fortification spectra, scintillating scotomas. अरे यार आज तो मैच है. मैच का क्या स्टेटस है? क्लिक बस में चेक करता हूँ. शिट, अगेन लॉस्ट. चलो. Migraine. Its typical symptoms are 2 days irritability, then depression, then aura, then pain, then phobia, then lethargic, depressed, sleep. Then migraine theories are vascular theory, serotonin theory. Oh shit, मेरा ऑर्डर कहाँ तक पहुँचा? यार देखता हूँ. मैंने ऑर्डर किया था, ये तो दिल्ली तक ही पहुँचा. अभी इसको 4-5 दिन और लग जाएंगे यहाँ पहुँचने में. चलो ठीक है. Hello friends, I am back with my new video. Myself Dr. Vishwajit Anand. I am radiology first year PG in GMC Jammu. Today we're gonna discuss about focus. So today I'm gonna share with you one of my techniques to drag your attention back to your studies. When we go to gym, we lift weights. We have to use our muscles force to resist the force of gravity which pulls the weight down. And by doing this, our muscles become stronger. Likewise, when we resist the distractive nature of our mind, our mind becomes stronger and become more focused. Today I'll tell you about Pomodoro technique. In this technique, we'll study for 25 minutes and then take a break of 5 minutes. And during that 25 minutes, we have to make a resolution that no matter whatever thoughts come into our mind, we have to stay focused in our study. So we'll start a topic. Suppose any topic, we'll start it and we'll set the timer of 25 minutes. And we have to practice that within that 25 minutes of duration. We have to stay focused to the topic, and whatever, there will be so many things coming into your mind. So many times, so many things come into your mind, totally incompletely different from your topic, but you have to drag your attention back to the topic and you have to consistently try to maintain the focus and stay attentive to the topic. And then after 25 minutes of study, you have to take 5 minutes of break. In that break, you can do anything. You can use your phone, you can take a nap, you can play game or whatever. And again, you have to start with your study for 25 minutes of duration. Again, you will start with the same topic and you will make a resolution that I will try to maintain my focus and I will not be distracted during this 25 minutes of time. There will be so many things coming into your mind. You have to resist it again and again and again. You have to drag your attention back to the topic. Suppose you have started the timer and you have started reading a topic. Suppose after 10 minutes, you will get a thought, something different, completely different from the topic. Now you will be directed to think in that direction. But as soon as you realize that you are distracted away from your topic, you again have to try to come back to the topic. And again, after studying for certain interval of time, again something will strike into your mind. But the thing is that as soon as you realize that your mind is distracted, you again have to drag your attention back to the topic. So this is an art. You have to practice it again and again. This art will not come to you within a single day, because since our childhood we have been studying in that way, that we are reading and something we are reading distracted away, reading distracted away, reading distracted away. So in one day, if you think that one day I'll sit and I'll make a resolution that 25 minutes I'll study and nothing will come into my mind, that's not gonna happen. You have to practice it again and again for 1 month, for 15 days to 1 month. Then you will start to experience that the frequency of number of thoughts coming into your mind has become less. It sounds easy to just stay focused for 25 minutes, but it's not an easy task. It's a quite tough task, but it's not impossible also. So let's suppose you have completed one cycle of 25 minutes of intense learning and 5 minutes of break. Now again, when you will start the second cycle, again you have to keep it 25 minutes of intense learning and 5 minutes of break. Then again third cycle and then fourth cycle. After completing 4 cycles, you have to take a long break of 20 to 25 minutes, because our mind is not trained in that way to stay focused for such a long duration of time. So we have to keep it simple, otherwise we'll lose the consistency. Consistency is very, very important in such type of competitive exams. Guys, trust me, this is not an easy task, but this is very effective. Once you do it for 10 to 15 days or 1 month, you will start to feel the difference. Now, this was one of my method to stay focused and keep your mind stable. But there are also a bunch of other techniques which I'm gonna share you in next video, to how to maintain focus, how to keep your mind stable and calm, so that you can improve your efficiency of your brain and perform better in your GTs. Now friend, this was one of my method to improve focus and attention, but there are a bunch of other techniques which I'm gonna share you in next videos. So to reach out those, please watch my upcoming videos on how to maintain focus and keep your mind stable. Till then, good luck.